Yeah, that's right. Microsoft made $49 billion last year. Microsoft is worth more than the whole company Ford Motors at $46 billion. Who would have known a text editor like Word, a slideshow maker like PowerPoint, and a spreadsheet maker like Excel could be such a moneymaker for Microsoft? If the difference were a country, it would rank 87th, making it richer than 89 countries. How did this happen? Well, let's dive in. I promise I won't bore you with numbers. Imagine it's the late 80s, a time when neon colors and big hair were all the rage. In this era, in 1988, Microsoft decided it was time to bundle all its productivity tools, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint into one package, and thus Microsoft Office was born. Back then, using a computer wasn't easy as it is today. You had to know your way around complex command and have a lot of patience. Microsoft Office changed the game by giving people a way to write documents, crunch numbers, and create presentation without needing to be a computer wizard. It was like suddenly having a Swiss Army knife for school and work tasks. So Microsoft Office has been around for quite a while, but just because you're old doesn't mean you've aged fine like wine. From the beginning, Microsoft was all about making things easier for people. Psych! They wanted world domination. They wanted to be the only software company that people rely on. When Windows 3.0 came about, it became the operating system on over 70% of personal computers. They were becoming a monopoly, so they shipped every operating system with Office. They had to be sneaky about it. Even this wasn't enough to help Office become the $49 billion empire that it is. 70% was a lot, but not 100%. The idea was simple. They had to make the software good. What I mean by software, I mean Windows. The goal was to be business friendly first and cool and hip later. As more Windows were filling up the offices in America, they needed a text editor, a graph maker, and something to calculate the profits. It's literally in their name, Microsoft Office. Eventually, they dominated the office space, and still, it wasn't enough for them to reach the $49 billion. So they came after us. Over the years, as technology evolved, so did the Office. In the early days, buying a software was like buying a book. You paid for it once and use it forever, and boy was it expensive. The student and Office home version was $150 per user. But Microsoft had a vision that the software could be more, something that grew and improved over time. Enter the internet, smart devices, and the cloud. Seeing the potential for staying connected and storing data online, Microsoft transformed Office into a subscription service. Office became more convenient. It was accessible on any and every device. It's on our browser. $7 a month is easier to cough up. With that price, you could get the basic 1 terabyte cloud storage, offline access with premium features, ad-free source, constant update, and a new feature. Boy, it sounds like I'm sponsoring them. The cloud service feature is really nice. If you're a college student, $7 a month for 4 years will add up to $336. Go to your advisor. You might get it for free. So there you have it. It's shipped with every Windows. It's in every office space. The sneaky subscription and the cloud service is what helped it become the empire that it is today. $49 billion.